Good morning, everyone. We're here at the Castle Kyalami. We are using this opportunity to educate teachers, to teach them more of how they can use all the tools that are taught here in their classrooms.
So we have 300 educators here, and this is how you empower them. Good morning. Use this knowledge to empower yourself, to empower others, and to uplift the community and all the people in it. So we're having a lot of technology of study completion. Some people have already moved on to their second course and completed it. So everybody is in the zone to get these skills. They are learning attentively, they're paying close attention to what they are studying, and they look very, very happy because they are finally getting the tools that they need to handle life.
I think this is amazing. What has been incredible to me, I've actually just spoken to my colleague. We've looked at this, we've been assessing this, we've been identifying this, but we've never had the remedy to fix it up. And it's so easy, it's so simple actually. To me this has been wonderful. I wish I knew this 40 years ago. I think this is going to change the face of education. I really do. I think we found the tools. We definitely have found the tools.
Tools for life. I just believe that these are tools that would help you when it comes to studying, when it comes to teaching, when it comes to being involved around issues of life. When you use all these tools, they will help you. The mood is very exciting. As you can see, people are happy. We are excited about this. We have learned a lot, and we hope to tell others and other schools about this so that they can come and learn.
I have attended various workshops. This one was definitely different. Like I said, easier to reach, engaging, closer to my own world. You know, there are things that you learn at other workshops that I've learned, for instance, in university, and they tend to be repetitive. Here I've definitely learned new skills.
I managed to finish the first one. It was really nice. It was about the study of how to study and the 3 main barriers that came along with it. Just by seeing how simple it can actually be by first identifying each barrier and then how you can fix it.
I know what to do in certain situations and how to handle them instead of just going with the flow or being impatient or just freaking out or not knowing what to do. The knowledge I got, I can implement it in my work. I can implement it in my relationship with other people.
I suggest people should look into it. I suggest people should try it for themselves because a lot of conflict, a lot of problems can be stopped by just learning.
If these can be used in our schools in future, starting with empowering the teacher and then the child, I do believe that we're going to have a kind of future there where children feel more empowered, they are motivated to definitely do their best even in class and in their different grades. And in future, because I believe it definitely empowers them to know in which career path they should follow.
Okay, so as you can see behind me, we have educators that just finished the seminar. They're very happy, they're very excited, as you can see them. So yeah, it's a very exciting day. They all just got empowered with effective tools.